Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ramani. I just want to preface this video by saying if you hear any animal noises while I'm filming, it's because I'm in Costa Rica. If you've never seen any of my videos before, I love creating videos all about wellness, whether that is through my hair journey or my fitness journey or my yoga journey. So today I want to talk about how you can shift your habits for the fall season so that you can get back on track with your fitness. In the summer, y'all know we be falling off, we be going out, we be partying, we be eating all the things that we know that we shouldn't be eating, drinking all the things we shouldn't be drinking, and sometimes we just don't do what we need to do, and that needs to change for this new season. In my life outside of YouTube, I am a yoga instructor, I'm a personal trainer, and so I do one-on-one sessions with women. I tell women what to eat, what workouts to do, what stretches to do. I help women do all the things that get them back on track. So if you're like, who are you to be telling me all these things? That's who I am. The first thing that I want you to do stepping into this new season is to identify what your goals are. You need to establish what you want to achieve. It's so easy for us to say, I want to get back on track. I want to start my fitness journey. I want to lose weight. But what exactly do you want to do? Do you want to go to the gym 3 or 4 times a week? Do you want to lose belly fat? Do you want abs? Do you want a bigger butt? Do you just want to be healthier all around? Now, I'm not saying that you even have to have drastic goals. Your goal can be something like, I want to go to the gym 3 times a week. I want to drink a smoothie 4 times a week. But you want to make sure you establish a goal, because without a goal, you are just kind of winging it. You are just doing whatever you want to do, and you're going to be upset because you're not going to see the results that you want, because you don't even know what benchmarks you need to hit in order to see the results, because you didn't set no goals. All right, step number 2, once you have your goals, we need to set a weekly plan so that you can accomplish them. I know sometimes people like to set monthly goals, or like even more than monthly goals, like quarterly goals, but when you are starting to get back on track, it is much better to just do things in small increments. So we are just going to focus on the week ahead of you. When I talk to most of my clients, the reason that they fall off is because they do not have a plan. So you might have these goals in mind, but you don't really know how you're going to accomplish these fitness goals. So back to our example, if you said that you wanted to hit the gym at least 3 times a week, what days can you realistically hit the gym with your work schedule, with your kids, with your partner? Like, how can you hit the gym when you have all of this other stuff going on? So like, if you know that Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays work best for your schedule, then you're going to put, I need to work out Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of next week. And you can even put that in your calendar, and you can set a specific time just so that you make sure you get it done. Or let's say your goal was, I want to start meal prepping. What day can you realistically meal prep for the entire week? Can it be Friday? Can it be Saturday? Can it be Sunday? What day do you have that time to allocate to your meal prepping? So whatever the goals were that you wrote down, I want you to create an actionable plan with actionable steps that you can actually follow with your schedule. And if you're like, I don't even have time to create a plan, I'm gonna link my workout plans and my meal plans down below, where I'll tell you exactly what to eat. I'll tell you exactly what workouts to do. There's videos, there's all the things that will help you get back on track. And you can always use the code YouTube for some money off. And step 3 is execution. We can write down our goals, we can have a plan, but if you don't do the work, all of it is for nothing. And that is where a lot of people fall off. You say, I'm gonna work out tomorrow, I'm gonna do this, and then you don't actually do it. You have to switch your mindset into the person that you already want to become. So if you want to be a fitness girly, a gym girly, let's say you want to be a person who walks 5 miles a day. What does that person do? Because if you're not currently that person, you cannot operate as yourself. You have to operate as that person who walks those 5 miles. Does that person go to sleep at 9 p.m. so they can wake up early so they can walk before work? Does that person drink water throughout the day? Like, what does that person do? You have to switch your mindset, and I've talked about this in a lot of other videos. When I was on my weight loss journey, I couldn't go into my weight loss journey as the person that I was, because the person that I was 30 pounds overweight, and she didn't want to do none of that shit that was on the plan. I had to see myself as this person, the person that I became. So I was like, okay, what does she do? Does she wake up early? Does she drink soda? Probably not. Does she drink alcohol? Does she eat processed food? Does she eat chips? She probably doesn't. So I couldn't do those things. I had to completely switch my identity, and I had to change my mindset. And I get it, fitness can be hard, but it's even harder living an unhealthy life and being unhappy in your body. I'm not saying that you have to be the skinniest person, but we want you to be happy and we want you to be healthy. You want to be able to fit your clothes. So you have to change your mindset and stop thinking this is hard, I'll never be able to do it, into I can do this. This is easy for me. This comes naturally to me. If you speak life into your fitness journey is going to thrive. You need to think about your highest self, think about what your highest self does, and you need to become that person every single day, and you need to switch your mindset from I can't do this to I can do anything that I put my mind to. Now, hopefully with these 3 steps, you can start your fitness journey for fall. And again, if you need help, I'm gonna link everything down below, from my meal plans to my workout plans to my one-on-one sessions. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, I have an entire weight loss playlist on YouTube where you can binge watch all of my weight loss videos where I tell you what to eat, what workouts to do, and all the things. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so we can connect outside of here. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.